What is the one word for a foolish and usually extravagant passion or love? The correct answer is infatuation. What is the one word for high-flown style, excessive use of verbal ornamentation? The correct answer is grandiloquence. What is the one word for so extremely old as seeming to belong to an earlier period? The correct answer is antiquated. What is the one word for fearless daring? The correct answer is temerity. What is the one word for call forth? The correct answer is engender. What is the one word for a feeling of ill will arousing act of hostility? The correct answer is animosity. What is the one word for someone who organizes a business venture? The correct answer is entrepreneur. What is the one word for a person with unusual powers of foresight? The correct answer is visionary. What is the one word for unfair treatment of a person or group based on prejudice? The correct answer is discrimination. What is the one word for the act of separating grain from chaff? The correct answer is winnow. What is the one word for personal attractiveness that enables you to influence others? The correct answer is charisma. What is the one word for a complete extent or range? The correct answer is gamut. What is the one word for organized opposition to authority? The correct answer is insurrection. What is the one word for social organization in which a female is the family head? The correct answer is matriarchy. What is the one word for place side by side? The correct answer is juxtapose. What is the one word for having or revealing supreme mastery or skill? The correct answer is consummate. What is the one word for deviating from what is considered moral or right or proper? The correct answer is perverse. What is the one word for a rough and bitter manner? The correct answer is acrimony. What is the one word for grossly irreverent toward what is held to be sacred? The correct answer is profane. What is the one word for cause to be confused emotionally? The correct answer is bemuse.